Okay, now we're going to look at the next question. Okay. Vinci or Vince run a 100-meter race in 10.3 seconds. Okay. Now, you say the time is measured to the nearest 0.1 second, and the distance is to the nearest meter. Okay. Now let's check whether the unit need to be changed. This is in meter. To the nearest meter means 1 meter. This is in meter, so don't need to change. This is 10.3 seconds. So the value of the second is by 0.1 decimal. So this is 0.1 decimal. So it's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay. So these two, they are in the same unit, so you don't need to, not like the earlier, where this one is cm, this is meter, where you have to change to cm before you find the upper bound and lower bound. Now, and then he said, what is the maximum possible value of its average speed in meter per second? Speed is defined as the distance traveled over the time taken okay. Now let's say if you're talking about a question nothing to do with upper bound, lower bound. So based on this formula, the main that's normal kind of question, calculating the speed, you just take the 100 meter, put it here, because this is the distance traveled, and the denominator will be the 10.3 seconds. That's it. So if this question has nothing to do with upper lower bound, so you just take 100 divided 10.3. So your answer will be whatever come up with in meter per second. That is the average speed. Okay. However, this question is due at upper and lower bound. So when you say what is the maximum possible speed mean, you want the speed to be maximum. You want the speed to be maximum. If that's the case, then your distance, let's take the symbol D, has to be the upper bound. And then the time has to be lower bound. With this combination, you will get the maximum value. If you take the maximum of this divided the smallest of this, you will get a maximum answer, which is the maximum speed that's possible. Okay. Now, after you define the formula, let's go and find distance upper bound, time lower bound. Okay, let's look at the distance, which is at 100 meter. Now, this say that the distance is to the nearest 1 meter. They mean to say they increase by 1 meter. So let's remove the M here because it's very confusing. Okay, it's increased by 1, then become 10.1. Decreased by 1 will be 39. So if you want the upper bound of T, then it's equal to 100.5 meter. Okay. Now, for time, it's 10.3. Now, that means the increase is by 0.1 second. So, what is the number before this? Is 10.2. Okay, why teacher is picking this? Because you are looking for a lower bound. So you might consider the number before this. So to get the lower bound of t, you just find the midpoint of this, which is equal to 10.25 seconds. Okay? Now, once you got this, you're going to substitute into this with 10.100.5 divided by 10.25. Okay, now you see you get 9.9. .804. Okay. Dot. Okay. Now, since it's non-terminating number and non-repeating, so if you want to put a 3 significant figure, it will be 9.80. Okay. Now, the unit in the distance is meter, then divided by the denominator unit, which is second. So you write your 3 significant figure. Okay, that's it.